everyone, welcome back to my channel Mom's Care Official. So today's video is not any like content kind of a video. I'm gonna make a big announcement for you guys. So before we do that, I'm gonna show you the flowers of my plant and a special person. Like, you people have never seen her. So this is the plant. Okay. So hello everyone. So this is my elder sister Prerna.
Hello guys, welcome to Shrutri's channel, Mom's Care Official. This is Prerna.
She lives in Hyderabad, by the way, if you did not know. Most of you don't know, by the way. And now we'll kind of do a rapid fire. So let's begin. And sorry for the background noise, क्योंकि ये noise मेरे घर से नहीं आ रहा, उसके घर से आ रहा है. So not my fault, okay? Don't comment that the video was too noisy, okay? ये फैन की आवाज़ है. मैं गर्मी में कर रही हूँ, बट ये नहीं कर रही है गर्मी में. So sorry for the noise उसकी तरफ से. And now we'll do like a rapid fire kind of. Okay. What is your favorite food? Pizza or burger?
Burger.
Why? Why?
Because I'm sick and tired of having pizza.
Okay. Cold drink or milkshake?
Huh?
Cold drink or milkshake?
Chai.
None of them.
None of them.
Okay. Plants or animals?
Dogs.
Animals, okay. Biology or chemistry?
Sorry?
Biology or chemistry?
I'm a commerce student.
Oh, okay. Now tell me something about yourself. Like, what is the location where you stay and where do you do your job? Okay.
Okay, so I'm staying in Hyderabad. To be specific, I'm staying in Borabanda and I work in Tech Mahindra.
Great. Now, you people will know where do I work and what do I do and where do I stay. And if you don't know, I stay in Kolkata or I live in Kolkata. And you know, I'm a 7th grade student, so nothing really like a job. And okay, tell me about your qualification.
My qualification, okay. So I'm a BBA graduate.
Okay, now tell me whether you like you was a average student or like a very good student or like a bad student.
I was a very bad student. Like I used to study one night before my exams.
Okay.
And I used to pass.
So this is not a pre-planned Q&A or something like that. And ये questions जो मुझे like I want to listen the answer to, like I am curious about it. I'm just asking that only. Okay, so if you have any questions, you can comment down below and I'll ask. Like we'll do a similar type. And okay guys, so maybe I can prank call my other sister Priyanka. So I don't know how she'll react, but let's try. I don't even know whether she'll receive. She's sleeping right now. Okay, let us try. So I'm trying to add her. Okay, this is my phone, okay? I currently don't have a camera. Okay, I think she's sleeping. Let us cancel it. Tell me, how do you take care of yourself, like or your hair and skin and all the stuff? Because after seeing you, people will get curious about this, so why not ask it before?
Right. So for my hair, I don't have hair actually. I am losing all my hair. Special thanks to Hyderabad for that. And I don't do anything. I just use one one kind of shampoo. That's it. I don't do anything. Previously, I used to do many things, and I used to do a lot. Many a times I did straightening and all. That is also an effect. I am losing all my hair. And about my face, it's just because of the lockdown. When I go to my normal schedule, when I go to office, especially in Hyderabad, I get black like hell. I get completely tan.
Okay.
I get completely tan. And this is just because of the lockdown. I am still fair till now.
Okay, so this answer that she answered right now, or the question that she answered, that she gets black when the lockdown opens, like the will be opening soon, I guess, and while she goes to office, this is a complete lie, okay? So if you think I am lying, because I think you will be believing in her more, because you're seeing her for the first time anyway. So I'll pop a picture.
So if you want to remove your tan, you can just apply a piece of potato. You just take a piece of potato, just rub it over your face and hands wherever you feel that the tan is there, and like it will vanish. In a month, if you do, it will go off.
So this is the quick tip by Prerna, and what I was telling is I'll pop in a picture of she going to office, and towards the end of the video, and then you will believe me, okay? And now I am gonna ask her a very important question that this video is all about, which is, do you know the big announcement that I'm gonna tell right now about? Do you know that? Do you know about that? Do you have any idea? ओके सो शी डज नॉट हैज़ एनी आइडिया. मैं उसी का चेहरा दिखा रही हूँ, बट आपको यहाँ पे दिख रहा होगा, तो मैं इसको क्लिक करके आई जस्ट रिमूव दिस फोन एंड या. So basically the big announcement, yeah, okay, she's still there, okay, she's still there, and the big announcement is all about like my channel. So basically focus. Okay, so it's basically that I have my online classes, all of you know that, and for that to join in Google Meet is an app from Google only. So since I had to change my account name to Shutroi Ghosh from Moms Care Official, because my teachers and friends were having a problem to recognize me. So for that, during this lockdown isolation or quarantine, whatever you call it, session, my channel name will be Shutroi Ghosh, and I can't help it. And after it's over, my online classes are over, we will change it back to Moms Care Official. Getting back to the rapid fire. Okay, tell me, do you like to put makeup?
Like to put
Makeup.
makeup. Okay. Yeah, I love to put makeup, but then here I don't get time because I have become a maid and whatever you call it here, so I don't get time to put any kind of makeup. But when I was in Kolkata, if you would have seen my pictures, you will understand what amount of makeup I put.
Okay, so as I told you, I'll pop in the picture, like office look in Kolkata, okay, not in Hyderabad. And in Kolkata also, when she used to go office, she was not at all tanned, and I don't know, I think not now as well, because I have seen her going to office and she's not tanned at all, maybe a little bit. So I'll pop in that extreme makeup, thing, her going to the office, and towards the end of the video. Okay, now tell me, do you have like a religious corner in your house?
Sorry?
Do you have a religious corner in your house?
Yeah, I do. Except of that, I would have not been able to stay in the house. I am very scared of ghosts. So wherever I go, I keep a religious corner.
Okay, so this girl is a lot religious, okay? So let's get a tour. Come on, show us the religious corner.
Sure.
Okay, I am curious. I am curious too, okay? So meanwhile, she's getting up and going. Let me speak to you guys. So these are the questions that I am curious about and I don't know the answer to, and I'm asking her that. So, okay, it's popped out. So this is like the religious part. You can see the lights there. Okay, tell me, what is the favorite part in your house except your religious corner?
Favorite part of my house. This is my favorite.
Okay, your window. Okay, so this is the window view basically. एंड विंडो व्यू से आ गया, मैं आपको अपनी विंडो की भी व्यू दिखा दूँ. आपको यहाँ पे डॉग्स और कचरा के अलावा ज़मीन पे कुछ नहीं दिखने वाला, इंसान तो बिल्कुल नहीं. सो दिस इज़ लाइक अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ टूर ऑफ माई बालकनी गार्डन. तो मेरे पास 3 बड़े बड़े बालकनीज़ है इस रूम में, 2 बड़े बालकनीज़ है दूसरे रूम में, एंड बेसिकली ऑल ऑफ देम आर लाइक अ बालकनी गार्डन और एवरीथिंग. सो गाइज, अगर आपको लग रहा होगा कि माई सिस्टर इज़ अ व्लॉगर, नो, वी मेड द प्लान राइट नाउ. सो इट्स अ नो मेकअप लुक ऑफ माई सिस्टर. बाय द वे, कोई मेकअप नहीं है, असलियत में कोई मेकअप नहीं है. वॉट आर यू मोस्ट प्राउड ऑफ?
Huh?
वॉट आर यू प्राउड ऑफ? वॉट आर यू प्राउड ऑफ?
You.
ओ ओ, तो इसको बोलते हैं मस्का लगाना, ठीक है? ओके.
मस्का उसी को लगाया जाता है जिससे कोई फायदा मिले. मुझे तुमसे कोई फायदा नहीं मिलेगा.
ओके, अच्छा, तुम अभी ये बताओ, क्या पूछूं? व्हाट इज योर फेवरेट लिपस्टिक शेड? शो अस दैट.
Favorite lipstick shade? Okay. Uh, I have many actually. Half of them I have not used.
Okay, tell me your like most favorite one. Like us, actually not. So guys, while she's taking out the lipstick, let me talk to you guys. So I don't know कि मैं कैसी लग रही हूँ और कैसा शूट आ रहा है, because मैं अपने फ़ोन के बैक कैमरा से शूट कर रही हूँ and I can't see it at all. Okay, let's go back.
This is my current favorite. Like I got it just before the lockdown. This I got it, and another shade I got it. But this shade is like, it's Nude Dream. Lakme Forever Matte Nude Dream. I bought it from Nykaa, and this is my current favorite.
Okay, put it on.
Huh?
Put it on. So while she's putting on the lipstick, I'll tell you one thing कि इतना ज़्यादा like over video call इतना सारा task मैंने उसको बोला है and she had done it. That has never happened. Just for you guys, she's doing all of this. So subscribe, okay? Okay, this is actually a good shade. I like it. Okay, what do you think? We should ask her to give us like a makeup tutorial. What do you think? What do you think?
This is the shade.
Okay, so this is the shade. मैं आप लोग को दिखा दूँ. Okay, now since my friends want to look at a makeup tutorial given by you, so like a 2 minute no makeup look करके दिखाओ.
So for the makeup tutorial, I will do it like in the next vlog maybe, because I am not ready with the things, and moreover I am not ready myself. So.
Okay, so okay, let's move on
I'll
to like.
definitely do it in this channel. I'll definitely do it in this channel, but after a few days.
So guys, आप लोगों ने ये सुन लिया है, ये रिकॉर्ड हो चुका है, ठीक है? So you can't lie. And I will make sure that that video comes up. And okay, अभी अपने किसी भी friend का नाम बोलो जिसको हम लोग call करके.
And one more thing, I am actually not at all a makeup person. So if you want a makeup tutorial, full makeup tutorial with like all the like what do you call it, the
Products.
smudger, and then I don't know the names. Okay, so if you want it with the full-fledged products, so I think you should ask Priyanka to do it.
सो प्रियंका इज बेसिकली माई बड़ा वाला सिस्टर. वो कोलकाता में ही रहती है और मेरे साथ ही रहती है और मुझे सारा दिन जला के मारती है, ठीक है. So I am telling you guys that's not gonna happen anytime sooner because she is not at all ready to face camera. I don't know why. Anyway, let's move on. So okay, tell me one of your friends name who we can call, मतलब जिसका नंबर मेरे पास है, or you can WhatsApp me the number who I can call and do kind of a rapid fire about you.
So I would always say Shovik Basu, but then he is playing PUBG right now, so don't even dare to call him because he will not receive.
Such a cheat. This is not fair. मैंने पहले से बोला था यार किसी फ्रेंड का नाम बता के रखना. ओके, सो आप लोगों को लग रहा हो ये प्लान किया हुआ है कि मैंने बोला पहले से बोला है. नहीं, बिफोर द वीडियो मैं उसको भी थोड़ा बता रही हूँ ना. शी इज द फर्स्ट टाइम शी इज लाइक एक्टिंग लाइक अ व्लॉगर आई गेस. सो ओवर वीडियो कॉल वो भी. सो या मैं अपने फ़ोन से व्लॉग कर रही हूँ एंड मेरे टैबलेट पे वो वीडियो कॉल पे है. तो ठीक है, अभी कुछ देर बाद हम आपसे ही बात कर लेते हैं. कुछ देर बाद हम आपके फ्रेंड से बात कर सकते हैं आई गेस, राइट ना?
Sure.
कितने देर बाद?
Maybe an hour or so.
That's not possible. Okay, so आप लोगों के लिए it will be 1 minute, okay, but for me I have to wait for 1 hour and then take another clip, okay? So well, let me try calling my sister once more.
He will not receive. He's playing PUBG.
I am calling sister. I'm calling Priyanka. So this is the Miss Makeup Artist.
Yeah.
And let's see whether she receives or not. I don't think so. Let's try it out. Okay, ma'am is not in the mood of receiving right now. And I think she's sleeping. Acha, tell me, what do you like to do in your free time?
I don't get any free time as such because I'm almost all the time occupied with my work, with other chaos and everything.
Okay.
Sorry.
ठीक है. So now अच्छा, तो गाइज मैं आप लोगों को एक छोटा सा लाइक काइंड ऑफ अ फैक्ट बताना चाहती हूँ. टुडे इज़ लाइक अ वेरी स्पेशल डे बिकॉज इट इज़ माई ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स 51st wedding anniversary. It's like the 51st wedding anniversary and look at her expression after saying that. My dear phone is so bad it does not even focuses. Whatever. So that was the fact. And ये curry leaves वाले plant है, आपको दिख रहा होगा. So this is aloe vera and this is, I don't know what is this, whatever. तो अभी हम लोग आपको और एक क्वेश्चन करेंगे. Tell me something about your nails because you will understand that later. Okay.
Sorry, so tell me something about your
Nails.
nails.
She does not has nails, okay?
Yeah, so it is a very long story actually. So I never had nails.
Long story short में बोलना. Okay, connection error I guess. Reconnecting हो रहा है. Whatever. So friends, अभी 18 मिनट का वीडियो ऑलरेडी हो चुका है. I know this is gonna be a long, so like a short disclaimer kind of.
Continue because I moved to Hyderabad. Then like after moving to Hyderabad also I was unable to grow my nails because I used to bite them all the time. And because of this corona thing and the lockdown and everything, I was able to grow my nails because like I have stopped biting them off and like I don't bite my nails now, and that's the reason why they have grown like in very less time period, like in a month or so they have grown. So that's the story.
Okay, now we're gonna ask a question that we should not ask a lady, okay? But I know you will answer. Will you? What is your age?
Sure.
Will you like to share with us?
What is my
Age.
okay? So my age is 24 plus. I will be 25 this December. My height is 5'9".
Okay, so that's December 12th, okay? And मैं अभी ये वीडियो मैं आपको देख के बताती हूँ. 19 मिनट का हो चुका है, सारे 19 मिनट का हो चुका है. So it's kind of a disclaimer that I'm giving right now because this video is gonna be long. Grab a drink or a favorite food, okay? अभी लॉकडाउन में सबके पास टाइम है, okay? So we are making like a long video sort of a thing. Let me see whether I can take you to my sister or mother. Let's see. I don't think so I will be, but guys, I'll end the vlog right up. Yeah, bye-bye. Hope you enjoy. Let's dim the light.